Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record the screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, which you can do basically at any point on the phone. If you're in an app, you can do that as well. And from here, scroll to the second page where by default you can find screen recording right here. Tap on it, let's allow, and it will, I believe, immediately start recording, or not yet. So you can go into the settings, number one. As you can see, there is a settings, and from here you can change a couple of things. So resolution, you can either crank it up to 4K or keep it as it is. Now, the higher you go with resolution, the more space it will take on your device. You can also set it to something more commonly known as like this one, so 1920 by 1080, which is normal monitor. If you plan to, for instance, record something on YouTube, like, I don't know, gameplays from your phone, this probably might be the better resolution. And then you have bitrate. You can just keep it as it is. The higher the bitrate, the better the quality of the video. And then frame rate, keep it at 60. I wouldn't go anything lower than 30, honestly. If you're struggling for space, you can drop it, but then you can also drop the resolution, although also I wouldn't go really anything below 1080. So just try to keep it at 1080, at least 60, or at least 30, I would say. 60 probably will be the best option. And once all that is set, you can then leave and tap on the red button right here. It will give you a timer and it will start recording everything you're doing right now. Now, as you can see, after my finger, there's also like a little dot on the screen. That's basically to show on the video recording where my finger is touching. You can disable that if you don't like that in the settings, as we're messing around in there. It's somewhere in there. And then once you're done with recording, you can just tap on this right here and stop it by tapping on the square. And there we go. There is the video, video saved to gallery. So let's actually open up the gallery app and close this. Where is the gallery app? There we go, gallery. Let's go to collections, and there it is. So you have screen recording. Tap on it. Tap on play, and you can see basically whatever I was doing. So that is basically how you would record your screen on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.